Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use add font face role in your CSS. Okay, this is my HTML file and this is my CSS file. So I'm going to show you how it see at see on a browser. This is how it appear in browser. So we're going to add a web font to this heading. So in this case we're going to use Google web font, which is totally free, and let's find it. Okay, just type Google web fonts here and click this, and there are many fonts. You can try any of these. In this case I'm going to use what I'm going to use. In this case I'm going to use this font right here and click it, and just download family. Okay, I'm gonna open this file and I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna paste this where my CSS and HTML file is located. I'm gonna paste right here and extract. Okay, I'm gonna delete these unnecessary files. Okay, right. This is my font file, and this is the font format TTF, which stands for true type fonts. Okay, so we are ready. Let's move to the text editor, and when we apply add font face role, we're gonna use it top of the top of the uh, top of the file above the body rule. I'm gonna delete this extra mark. In this case actually we are assigning font to our font family for later use. You can at this when this you can use whatever you want. Okay, what name you want, but it's better to use similar name to the font in this in that. Bebas, I'm going to use Bebas. I'm going to use this part right here, and okay, I just assigned a font to the font family, and next we use source, and we're gonna add a URL. This actually is where our font file is. I'm gonna in this case my font family is stored in my own PC, so I'm gonna add this relative path to this folder, like just look the same folder, same directory, and font and the font name. And .pdf. Okay, done. Now assign the font, and we're going to use the point to the head folder like this. Font. Okay, I'm going to use this font family. this particular font. Okay, we're done. I'm gonna move to the browser. I'm gonna reload page. Okay, here we go. This is how it works. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and don't worry about my English. English isn't my native language. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.